Hey everyone, and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to show you how to add a discount on Shopify. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is to log in using your credentials. If this is your first time on Shopify, I want you to click the sign up option. And from here, just follow the on-screen instructions and you're good to go. Adding a discount to your Shopify store can be a powerful strategy to drive sales and achieve specific business goals. Once you are logged into your account, I need you to hover to the left side panel of your dashboard and go to the products. If you haven't already, you might want to click on the add a new product to create a certain discount price on it. But I already have a specific product that I wanted to add a discount, and that's going to be this product. I'm going to click on it. And as you can see, there's going to be two. Now, the pricing has two categories, all right? That's going to be the price and the compare at price. Now, what that means is if you hover your mouse here, it says this is going to be to display a markdown. You need to enter a value higher than your price. For example, if you're selling this at $6 per item, the compare at price should be like something like $9. All right, I want you to click on save, and I want you to click on the preview. All right, so you would be able to see the markdown. Basically, that's adding a discount. You see that? Before it was like $9, now it's like $6. So they save up like a $3, which is a lot, right? Now, after doing so, go back to your product editor. Now, if you wanted to apply the same discount to the specific product, for example, I'm going to add variants. I'm going to add in, for example, going to be color. Or maybe sizes, all right? And of course, you can add value here and click on done. Like a small, a medium, a large, and XL. I'm gonna click on done. What will happen is, you see, you should put in the compared price for all of these variants. It should be like 9. And after that, all you have to do is click on save. So you should be able to see all of the compared prices. So wait for it, and then there you go. Now, the next option that we are going to do is adding a discount code. So right here, we created a discount price, but adding a discount code is different. Now, all you have to do is go to the left side panel of your dashboard and click the discounts. You see that? That's at, under marketing. When you click on it, since we haven't had the option to manage discounts and promotions, you might want to create discount codes and automatic discounts that apply at the checkout, all right? And of course, you can also use the discounts with the compare at prices, which is what we have done earlier. If you're still following, I want you to click on the create discount. And as you can see, we have 4 options here. Now, there's like amount of products, which is going to be a discount for specific products or collections of products. The buy one, like for example, get one, or buy two, get one discount products based on the customer's purchase. You also have the amount of order discount, the total order amount. If they purchase like 5 items on your store, they get like a specific kind of less. And the 4th option is going to be the free shipping. All right, you offer free shipping on a specific order. For example, they ordered bulk, so you might want to do with that. I'm gonna choose the first option for now, and after that, you would be directed to this specific option here. Now, once you are here, you have 2 sections. You can put in the discount code or the automatic discount, whichever you prefer. On the discount code, for example, I'm gonna put in Jeep lamps. All right, and you want to put in the discount value. For example, that's going to be like 69%. You also have an option to apply to specific collections or specific products. So I leave that discretion to you. All right, and you have a few options here. You can have a minimum purchase amount or no minimum requirements. I'm going to choose the first one. And it says that you still have three options. Is it going to be for all customers, specific customer segments, or specific customers? I'm going to put in the all customers for now because these two options are for more controlled kind of products. All right, so we're not going to deal with that. Now, on the maximum discount uses, you might want to limit number of times this discount can be used in total, or you might want to choose the limit to one use per customer. I'm going to select the second option, and here it can. Would you like to combine the specific discounts with the product discounts, order discounts, or shipping discounts? This is going to be handy if you are applying multiple discounts on your store. All right, so you can put in the active dates. Is it going to start around September 22nd, or if you wanted to start this on September 30th? All right, and of course the start time is PST, and if you wanted to send an end date, for example, it ends for like a day on October 1st. Once you're happy with that, all you have to do is click on save discount, and there's going to be an error. We're going to specific products. Let me try that. If not, I'm going to browse. I'm going to browse to a specific product, and that's going to be ebooks. I'm going to click on save, and we have already created our discount code. Now, if we wanted to create another discount code, you might want to click on the duplicate, and if you wanted to promote, you can do that as well. You can get a shareable link wherein you can post it to your social media channels or links. But I'm going to the discounts again. I'm going to create another discount. This time I'm going to select the buy X get kind of a promo. Now on the second option is what we are going to select, because earlier we opted for the discount code. I'm going to select the automatic discount. Title is going to be this one. So no minimum quantity of items, or you can choose the no minimum purchase amount, whichever you prefer. Quantity is like maybe 69 items for specific products. And of course, we're going to select the ebooks. We have a separate video on how to add ebooks or sell your ebooks on Shopify. We also have a topic about how to pay your Shopify bill manually and how to take your Shopify store online. And that you might want to check on our channel, please. If you haven't already, you might want to click on the subscribe button to get notifications on our latest content. Now, on the quantity, you might want to put in 69. Percentage is going to be 69. I don't want to set the maximum number of uses per order, so I'm going to put in this. After that, maybe it's all set. All I have to do is click on save discount, and that's it for today's video. Let me just select these specific products. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next one.